Today I'm going to be showing you how to use crimp ends. Here's the tools and materials you will need. First, you can go ahead and take that crimp end and put it in the last slot of your crimper. Go ahead and drop the chain in there and squeeze it nice and tight. You can pull on the chain to make sure it's secure. And then next, if you're making a necklace or a bracelet, you can go ahead and attach your clasps to that end. And then next, you can just repeat this same step on the other end of the chain, putting your end in the last slot of the crimper, drop your chain in there, squeeze tight, and pull to make sure it's secure. And then you are all done.